This is a tutorial on the services settings. I am now on the main page of the modeling method project and I'm showing the administration area for the services settings. Once I clicked on the settings, there appear pencil icons in all of the navigation bar items. And on the main page area, it shows the configuration, the services, and the project menu. When I click on services, I can see a list of all services that are available for my modeling method. Some of them are subscribed, some of them I have not subscribed yet. There is, for example, the text service, which is automatically selected in the beginning and in the initiation process of the project. There is the possibility to remove it, to show the administration, or for until now not subscribed services to subscribe to them. For example, here there is the File Manager service, which is a repository for all kind of static information like images, modeling toolkits, or PDF documents to store there and to use on the modeling method page. The download service provides the functionality to publish modeling toolkits and ADOXX libraries. And there are several other additional services such as the iframe service or the form builder service and download service list. I see now that all of the services that I subscribe to are listed in the navigation bar. And if I subscribe now, for example, to the gallery service, I can see on the left upper side that the service has been initiated. But I don't see it in the navigation bar yet. So I have to adapt the project menu to make it visible in the project menu or in the navigation bar on the left side. There are some services that are mandatory and some services that are additional. We see here in the upper side the mandatory services and on the downside the additional services. So I select the gallery and it is highlighted in blue and then save the project menu. And I see that the configuration has been changed and the gallery has been added to the project menu. I see that the information on the gallery shows that the gallery is empty, and I can click on the settings again and on the pencil item to change data in the gallery settings. So I can customize my new service that I added via the services settings. For example, in my case, I changed the gallery name to My Modeling Method Gallery. And I don't want users who are not logged in to see the gallery. The information is saved and I see that I changed the gallery name. When I click on Settings again and on Services, I see again the list of all services and I can show the gallery. If I remove the gallery now, then there comes a confirm removal sign, which also requires that I enter yes, I know, because all data will be lost once I cancel the service. So if I entered it and then confirm the removal, I see that all data that was related to the gallery service has been deleted permanently from my modeling method. And there is again the subscribe sign if I want to subscribe another time in the future. And I see also in the project menu that the gallery is not available.